Harare businessman KuMutsvangwa and his co-accused who are charged with the illegal foreign currency dealings will have to wait a little longer for their trial date after the court indicated that investigations are yet to be finalized. Azvipere mushe muri Zimbabwe aiwa oba mahwani kumhiri kwaMutsvangwa tiona vakomana ava vachiramba nhau yavo ichingonetsa vachingotenderedzwa. Sasa buda mashoko buda nyuka muzara nhasi ndobva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Timda mzimu ayanyera vachiti Mutsvangwa and his alleged accomplices Simba Rashe, Tichingana and Ellis Majachani were back in court this Thursday for routine remand, with the state successfully applying for the postponement of the matter to next month, pending finalization of investigations. The trio, through their lawyer Mr. Shepherd Mukonde, indicated their intention to apply for the release of property seized when they were arrested, which includes computers and visa cards. The co-accused, who are out on bail, are accused of running an unregistered money transfer company. Mutsvangwa is facing an additional charge of possessing an unlicensed Starlink router at his home. Muri Zimbabwe ndo update ndayo tiri bokupai so moziva kuti aiwa nhau yekwaNevo Mutsvangwa inhau iri very controversial yatikuona kuti mubato weZANU-PF ine maspeculations ekuti aiwa nhau iyi iri linked aiwa nevakuru veikoko the regime the ruling party ZANU-PF pamwe chete ne the 2030 bid. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kunai kumene section medu so subscribe like on the bell icon.